Got little pro.
Bring it on. You can't handle the heat.
Just shut up. It's my ball now.
What's up? Elias, you suck. Get off my court.
Alright, I'll just go. I'm gonna just go to the restroom. Why do I suck someone with booty cheeks? Man, what are those? Oh, what's an Alex? Whoa, I wonder whose these are. Whoa, those are LJ shoes? Man, I gotta go back to rematch John with these on. Wow, I gotta try these on. Oh yeah, with these new babies, I could definitely rock John.
Whatever, that was lucky.
Whatever you say, Buster. Oh yeah, lock, go. Oh yeah, you can't stop me.
Yeah, whatever. Check up. Bro, how did you get so good?
I guess I'm just like Mike. Psych!